What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2017, it's a Subaru Outback, and today I'm going to show you how you can reset the oil life on this car. So as you can see here, we have this screen, and the first thing we have to select is info right here. We're gonna press info. You're gonna see this menu here, and you're gonna press maintenance. So here is gonna appear all the bunch of stuff you can reset. You can reset the oil filter, rotation, tires, battery, brake pads, wipers. You pretty much have almost all the things you can possibly change on this and to keep it on maintenance on this car. So for the engine oil, we're gonna select this one because it's in red, and just easy as a finger, press reset, press yes, and automatically resets the oil life to 6,000 miles. Same thing with the oil filter, we do the same, press yes, okay, and it's in blue. Rotation, because I already did this too, we reset this thing again, press ok, and just as easy as that. You can also check the other ones. I think you have to customize those. You can put the date or the distance you can do. So the ones in blue are the ones that are reset already, and they have a limiter, which is 6,000 miles, this one, as you can see. But on this you also can change it. You can write this, you can put 10,000 miles, because on this car we put synthetic oil, so we can put 10,000 miles, press ok, and that's how you customize those. You change the oil too again. So on the other ones you can do the same thing. Once they turn blue, it means that it's already customized. If it's in white like this, it means nothing is customized, it's all in blank. And if it's red, then it's due. Alright guys, so this will be pretty much the end of the video. It was pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, turn notifications on, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.